Welcome to K and HL Degree College in Aditya University, BCom, 5th semester, Cost Accounting, Unit 3, Labor Cost Control. Labor. This is the cost incurred in the form of remuneration paid to the employees or labor for of the organization. The workforce required to convert material into finished product is called labor. It can be direct labor and indirect labor. Direct labor means the portion of wages and salaries which can be identified charged to single cost unit. Indirect labor means cannot be directly related within the production of specific goods or service. Example, foreman, storekeeper, timekeeper, etc. Departments involved in labor cost control and reduction. Personnel department, engineering department, timekeeping department, payroll department, cost accounting departments. A system of wages payment which takes care of both in example providing guarantee of minimum wages as well as offering incentive to efficient workers helps to motivate the workers of the great extent. The following of the various methods of payment of wages: remuneration of time basis, remuneration on piecework, bonus system, indirect monetary incentives, non-monetary incentives like job security, social and general welfare, sports, medical facilities, etc. Remuneration on the time basis. The wages is measured on the basis of unit time. In example, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. The formula as follows: earnings is equal to hours worked hours into rate per hour. Example, if a worker is paid 10 rupees per hour and has spent 300 hours during a particular month in a factory, his wage will be 300 into 10 rupees is equal to 3000 rupees. Flat time rate, ordinary level. Under this method, rate of payment of wages as per hour is fixed and payment is made accordingly on the basis of time worked irrespective of the output produced. Highway system. In this system, workers are paid at a time rate, but the time is much higher than that is normally paid in the industry or area. In this method, overtime is not normally allowed. Third one, graduated time rate. Under this method, payment is made at a time rate which varies according to personal qualities of the worker. Remuneration on piecework. Under this system, wages are paid on the basis of production. The formula is as follows: earnings is equal to number of units produced into rate per unit. Example, if the worker is paid 15 rupees per unit and he is produces 20 units in 7 hours, the total wages will be calculated as 20 into 15 rupees. 20 hours, 20 units into 15 rupees. Get the 300 rupees. Strike piece rate. In this method, rate per unit is fixed. This method thus offers a very strong incentive to the worker. Differential piece rate. Under this method, the rate per standard per hour of production is increased as the output level rises. In other words, a worker is paid higher wages for higher productivity as an incentive. From the following particulars, calculate the earnings of the workers X and Y, and also comment on the labor cost and the Taylor differential piece rate system. Standard time allowed 20 units per hour. Normal time rate 30 rupees per hour. Differential to be applied 80% of piece rate when below standard, 120% of piece rate at or above standard in a particular day of 8 hours. X produced 140 units while Y produced 165 units. Solution: standard production per day is 20 units, 8 hours is equal to 160 units, where X produced 140 units, which means he is below standard and will get wages 80% of normal piece rate. Normal piece rate is equal to 30 rupees per hour by 20 units is equal to 1 rupee 15 paisa per unit. 80% of normal piece, 80% of the normal piece rate is equal to 120 rupees per unit. Earnings is equal to 1 rupee 20 paisa into 140 units, we get the 168 rupees. Y earnings, Y has produced more than the standard production of 160 units, and the scheme he will get wages 125 120% of the normal piece rate. Normal piece rate is equal to 30 rupees per hour by 20 units is equal to 150 rupees per hour per unit. 120% of normal piece rate 180 paisa per unit. Earnings is equal to 1 rupee 80 paisa into 165 units. Get the 297. Bonus system. The bonus to be paid to the workers is computed on the basis of savings in the hours. In example, difference between the time allowed and the time taken. The individual bonus schemes commonly used are as follows: Halsey Premium Plan, Halsware Premium Plan, Raw One Plan, both variable sharing plan. Halsey Premium Plan. Bonus is paid equal to wages 50% of the time saved. Bonus is equal to 50% on saving time into rate per hour. Total earnings, all hour H into R plus bonus, where H means hours worked, R means rate per hour. Hours worked into rate per hour plus bonus. Example, time allowed for a job is 48 hours. A worker takes 40 hours to complete the job. Time rate per hour is 15 rupees. Compute the total earnings of the worker. Bonus is equal to 50% into time taken, time given minus time taken into hour rate is equal to 60 rupees. Total earnings is equal to 40 into 15 rupees, 40 hours time taken into 15 rupees plus 60 bonus is equal to 660. Halsware plan. Bonus is paid equal to wages 33.33 of the time saved. Bonus is equal to 33.33 into saved time into rate per hour. Total earnings is equal to H into R plus bonus, where H means hours worked, R means rate per hour. Example, time allowed for a job 48 hours. Hours worked, a worker takes 40 hours to complete the job. Time rate per hour is 15 rupees. Compute the total earnings of the worker. Bonus is equal to 33.33 into time given 48 hours but minus time taken 40 hours into hour rate 15 rupees. We get the 39.99. The total earnings is equal to working hours into hourly ratio. 40 hours into 15 rupees plus bonus 39.99 is equal to 639.99. Raw one plan. Bonus hours are calculated as the portion of the time taken is the time saved based to the time allowed and paid for at a time rate. Bonus is equal to hours worked into saved time by standard time into rate per hour. Bonus is equal to 40 hours into uh, 40 hours worked into 8 hours into rate per hour 15 by standard time 48 hours is equal to 100. Total earnings is equal to 40 hours working hours into 15 rupees per hour plus bonus 100 rupees, totally 700. Birth variable sharing plan, total earnings is equal to rate per hour root of standard hours into actual hours worked. 15 rupees root of 48 hours into 40 hours. We get the 657.26. Overtime. Overtime is the amount of time someone works beyond the normal working hours. Overtime allowance is equal to overtime hours into rate per 40 hours. Example of direct labor, machine operator, shoemaker, carpenter, weaver, tailor. Example of indirect labor, supervisor, inspector, cleaner, clerk, peon, watchman. Problem 1. You are presented the following information by Olympia Engineering Company related to the first week of December 1999. The firm employs 5 workers at an early rate of 2 during the week. The workers 4 days of the total period of 40 hours each and completed a job for which the standard time was 48 hours for each worker. Calculate the labor cost under the Halsey method and Rowan method. Incentive plan payment. Halsey method. Hourly rate into time taken plus 50% of the time saved into hourly rate. 10 hourly rate 10 rupees into time taken 40 hours plus 0.5 50% means 0.5 into time saved 8 hours into hourly rate 10 rupees 440 rupees. Raw one method hourly rate into time taken plus time saved into time taken by time allowed into hourly rate. Hourly rate 10 rupees, time taken 40 hours plus time saved 8 hours into time taken 40 hours by time allowed 48, hourly rate 10 rupees. We get the 467. A worker is allowed 10 hours to complete a job on daily wages. He takes 6 hours to complete the job under a scheme of payment by result. His day rate is 6 rupees per hour and piece rate is 36. The material cost of the product is 40 rupees and the overhead are charged at 150% of the total direct wages. Calculate the factory cost of the product under piecework plan, Rowan plan, wholesale plan. Solution. Solution. Piece rate system. Rate per unit is equal to number of units produced. The worker rate per unit 6 rupees. Workers you produce number of units 6. You get the 36. Second one, raw one method. Hourly rate into time taken plus time saved into time taken by time allowed into hour rate. 16 hourly rate 6 rupees, time taken 6 hours plus time saved 4 hours and time taken 6 hours by time allowed 6 hours into hourly rate 6 rupees. We get the 50.40 paisa. Wholesale method hourly rate into time taken plus 50% and into time saved into hourly rate. 6 into 6 plus 0.5 into 4 into 6 we get the 48 rupees. Now also plan. From the following third problem. From the following particulars calculate wages earned by workers A and B respectively under Taylor system. Standard time allowed 10 rupees per 10 units per hour. Normal wage rate 1 rupee per hour. Differential rates to be applied. 90% of piece rate when the below standard efficiency, 120% piece rate when at or above the standard production on the day of 8 hours. A is equal to 75 units, B is equal to 85 units. Solution. Unit rate is equal to 1 rupee by 10 units. You get the 0.11 rupee per unit. Below the efficiency rate 0.10 is equal to 0.10 into 0.9 into 0.09 per unit. Above efficiency rate 0.10 is equal to 0.10 into 1 rupee 25 paisa is equal to 0.1225. Worker A produced unit 75, therefore wages is equal to 75 into 0.090, get the 6 rupees 75 paisa. Worker B produced unit 85, therefore wages 85 into 0.125 is equal to 10 rupees 625 paisa. Halsey Premium Plan, Halsware Plan, Rowan Premium Plan, Taylor's Differential Piece Rate Plan, Gantt Bonus Plan, Emerson Efficiency Plan, Merrick Multiple Piece Rate Plan, Bidex Point Premium Plan, Birth Variable Sharing Plan. Halsey Premium Plan. The worker is paid 30% to 90%, but usually 50% of the time saved over, over the standard rate per piece. Standard time is fixed for each job or each operation. If the labor completes at standard time or more, he is given the standard price. If time saved, wages given for actual hours saved at a bonus as a bonus. Total earnings is equal to hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved into rate per hour. Halsey plan. It is calculated Halsey plan as the Halsey premium plan. The only difference is that rate of premium or bonus only 30% in the place of 50%. Total earnings is equal to hours worked into rate per hour plus 30% times 30% into time saved into rate per hour. Rowan premium plan. Wages are paid on the time basis. If worker takes standard time or more time, he is paid for the actual time taken. If worker takes less than the standard time, then then he is paid a bonus. Total earnings is equal to hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved by time allowed into hours worked into rate per hour. Taylor's differential piece rate system. This system was introduced by F. W. Taylor. The main feature of this incentive plan are as follows. First one, day wages are not guaranteed. In example, does not assure any minimum amount of wages to workers. Second one, a standard time of each job is set very carefully after time of and motion studies. Third one, two piece rates are set for each job and lower rate and higher rate. The lower rate piece rate is payable whereas workers takes a longer time than the standard time to complete the work. Higher rate is payable when the workers complete the work within the standard time. Gantt Task Bonus Premium Plan. This system is designed by Henry L. Gantt. Under the system, standard time for every task is fixed through the time and motion study. The main feature of this system is good combination of time rate, differential piece rate, and bonus. In the system, day wages are guaranteed to all workers. Wages under the system are calculated as follows. Emerson Efficiency Plan. This plan, this plan introduced by Hampton Emerson. Under this plan, incentive wages, the wages are paid at the standard rate, and the amount of bonus paid to the workers depends on the individual efficiency of the workers. The efficiency of the worker is determined in the ratio of actual time taken by the worker with the standard time of the worker. If a worker produces less than this, no bonus should be paid to him. The bonus is calculated on the following basis. Bonus must be 20% of his daily wages if the efficiency exceeds 100%. If the efficiency exceeds 10% over 100%, bonus will be 20% plus 10% is equal to 30%. In the same manner, the rate of bonus will be 40% at a 120 level 50% at a 130 and 60 and 140 level of the efficiency. Merrick multiple piece rate system. Merrick believed that is under that it was unrealistic to classify all workers into two categories. In example, efficient and inefficient. Some workers who actually worked but could not reach the benchmark of the standard output deserve to be encouraged. Therefore, he introduced the three-piece rate and made the lowest piece rate equally ordinary piece rate when the first one output O is less than 83% of standard output SO. Scheme of wages W is equal to piece rate scheme. Second one, when 83% of standard output less than output less than 100% of SO into wages 110% of piece rate. When O is output greater than 100%, standard output into uh, wages is equal to 120% piece rate. Beddoes point premium system. This plan was introduced by Charles E. Beddoes in 1911. Under this plan, standard time fixed for each operation or each job is expressed in terms of Beddoes point of or X. S. For the example, a standard time of 360 B means uh, the operation or job should be completed within 360 minutes. The main advantage of this plan is that it can be applied any kind of job. Under this system, a worker is paid at the time for actual hours worked, and 75% of the wages for the time saved and paid as bonus to the worker, and 25% of the foreman, supervisor, etc. The following is the formula for calculation of total wages of a worker. Total earnings is equal to S into R plus 75% of R S minus T. Birth variable sharing plan. This scheme is introduced to attract newly recruited and skilled employees who are motivated to learn work. It provided sufficient incentives to efficient workers who are motivated to increase productivity. Earning under this method is calculated by applying the following formula. Earnings is equal to rate per hour into root of standard time into time taken.